I can also provide a third argument to range, and the third argument is called the interval. So if I say 0, 30, 3, it will count by threes until it reaches 30. So let's say I wanted to just count by even numbers from 0 to, let's say 30. And if I just want even numbers, then I can do this. And there is my even numbers. Now, if I wanted to go all the way to 30, then I need to have the upper number be bigger than 30 so that it includes 30. If I wanted to start at 2, I would start at 2. If I don't want it to include 0, I can do that.
31 would still show 30.
Let's find out. Okay, so it just has to be past whatever it is. And so that's a really easy way to do that. Now I could take this number. I don't know, let's find out. Let's play around with it. But first I want to show you this. I can convert that to a list if I want to. And now I have those numbers captured in a variable that I can use later. So that's a nice way to very quickly create a list of sequential numbers. So can I start in the negative? Let's find out. Okay, yes, the answer is yes. Can we do this? Yes. Yes, we can. So that if I provide a negative number in the interval, then I'm counting backwards by twos.
What if you make it a really long number? Will it just like print a whole like one singular line in your console?
If I print out the list like this,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like 100, just whole like one line.
Yeah, so like this.
Yeah. How do we break it down? Just not put it by list?
Well,